The appointment of a political affiliate to one of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation KSAMC committees has not gone down well with the Deputy Mayor Delroy Williams. Mr. Williams is objecting to the inclusion of PNP caretaker candidate for East Rural St. Andrew Joan Gordon-Webley as co-chair of a newly established committee. But Kingston Mayor Andrew Swaby insists he did nothing wrong. Jamaica Maitland reports.
A decision by Chairman of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, Andrew Swaby, to deviate from including all councillors on committees is being criticised by the Jamaica Labour Party. It follows the announcement of the newly formed Clean City Coordinating Committee to be chaired by the Mayor on Tuesday. People's National Party member and former Executive Director of the National Solid Waste Management Authority, Joan Gordon-Webley, is the co-chair.
The issues of politicizing our committees and removing elected representatives from these critical committees without any proper reason being put forward. No other reason but to create a political advantage.
Only selected councillors will sit on the committee. Deputy Mayor and Jamaica Labour Party councillor for the Seawright Division, Delroy Williams, in a statement, deemed it an indictment to exclude all the elected officials on the committee. But Mayor Swaby says councillors can still attend the meetings.
What he was suggesting in our meeting, for my side to have chairman, his side to have vice chairman, and 50-50. If I had gone to what he's suggesting, I could not leave the room, not even answer a question from you outside. Because it would have forced me here, as the mayor, to be here at all times.
In addition to the selected councillors, the committee is also made up with representatives from the likes of the police, the NWC, the NWA, the NSWMA, the Health Department, among others. Mayor Swaby contends the decision to include external stakeholders is to glean on the experts, while having councillors shoulder more responsibility in other areas. While acknowledging it is not standard practice, he says the decision is within the law.
What Mr. William and his side must understand, that yes, there's a tie in the council as a number of councils, but there is a convention that says the popular vote determines who is the mayor and who forms the government of the local authority. And he needs to accept that.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.